Dear customer, now I'm very honored to introduce you our newest home security alarm system, G90E to you. G90E is an auto-dial full touchscreen D.I.Y GSM alarm system. It supports 4 wireless relay output, and this is the Russian language version. Now, let me show you how to run the remote controller to the alarm panel. Firstly, press the set button. Enter the password 46. Press the digits 2, 1 and the OK button. Then the first remote controller. Then the second. Now we have successfully run the 2 remote controller to the alarm panel. Now let me show you how to run the door sensor to the alarm panel. Firstly, press the set button. Then press enter the password 46. Then enter the digits 2302. Press the OK button. Then trigger the door sensor 1 time. Then the PIR motion sensor to the alarm panel. Press the digits 2305. Press the OK button. Now trigger the PIR motion sensor. Now you can see we have successfully run the door sensor and the PIR motion sensor to the alarm panel. This is all.